Morning children. Already we have seen the maths in the previous day. So now we are going to continue the same chapter again about the shapes of the cube, cuboid list. So you are given the activities. I will give one activity. They ask you to draw about the square, circle, rectangle. Did you practice at home, children? You can make a color also, or you can even cut it down with the color papers. So I think you might have done during the holidays. Now you can even draw with the dots along these shapes. That is called a geoboard. What is a geoboard? A geoboard is a mathematical manipulative board. That is, they will give the dots. If I give the dot like this, you can join these dots and put the shapes. That is square, circle, square, rectangle and triangle. So now you can make a square draw. You can draw a rectangle and square and triangle. So you can join the dots and you can draw the shapes like this on your board, and you can even make the triangle like this also. So during the time you can put the dots and make a square, rectangle like this. So this is called a geoboard. Is a mathematical manipulative board. Okay, now the next one is you can draw any shape. So we have seen the curved lines and the straight lines. So using these curved lines and straight lines, you can draw some of the pictures and say whether it is a curved line or a straight line. So you can see so many natural pictures around us, even the leaves, the clouds, and then the tiles, the cupboards, everything. So each one is along with the shapes only. So you can draw the shapes. If you have taken the clouds, so what shape it is? This is a curved shape. This is the curved shape. And suppose if you draw a mountain like this is a straight line, curved line, and this is the straight line. So you can draw any pictures regarding this curved line and the straight line. And as a ball, so ball is a curved shape. It will come only in the curved line. So this won't come under the straight line. Okay. Now another thing is, next one is you can put the shapes and tick the mark whether it is a curved line, plane surface or a curved surface. Say shapes, plane surface, curved surface. So here I will draw some of the shapes and you can say whether this is a plane surface or a curved surface. So if you draw the cube, so what is it? Plane surface or a curved surface? This is the plane surface. And cuboid, this is the rectangle. So this is also the plane surface. Suppose if they are given the cylinder, this is the curved surface, and a circle, that is also the curved surface. So you can draw like this and put plane surface whether it is a curved surface. Now we are going to see the constructions of the 3D shapes. Constructions of the 3D shapes. 2D shapes are drawn on the plane line, but 3D shapes are drawn only on the cube, cuboid, cylinder, sphere, pyramid and cone. So in this 3D shapes you can have the length, height and width, but in the 2D shapes you don't have this length, height and width. Now cuboid Already I have taught you this, how to draw this one. Cube. This is cuboid. And cylinder. Then sphere. This is not a circle, as I have already told you. The ball, the globe, these are all come under the spherical shape. It's not a circle. And pyramid. And this is the cone. So these are called the 3D shapes, that is cube, cuboid, cylinder, sphere, pyramid and cone. All these figures are the length, width and the height. So that's why it's called the 3D shapes. And 3D shapes have 3 dimensions, length, breadth and height. So these are called as 3D objects. So these have length, breadth and height. That's why they are known as the 3D shapes. Okay. So 3D shape. So in this cube is a solid shape and cuboid, everything is a solid shape. Solid shape made of the squares. Only the squares we have joined. So this solid shapes has a 6 faces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So cube has 6 faces, 12 edges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 edges means that's 12 corners and 8 vertices. And cuboid is also the solid shape made of the rectangle. So if you join the 2 triangles, it is called a cuboid. It has also got the 6 faces, the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 faces. And it has 12 edges, 12 corners and 8 vertices. And sphere is a circle in shape, but it's not a circle. So it has only 1 faces, but no edges and no vertex. So here they are given the complete the following table by filling the properties of 2D or 3D shapes. So they are given some of the figures and you have to write whether it is 2D or 3D we are given, and you have to write the name of the shape and how many number of sides, how many number of edges, number of corners and the diagonals. So in this I will draw the shapes and you can say whether it is a 2D shape or 3D shapes, and the shape name, and number of sides, number of edges, number of corners. Number of diagonals. So in this I will draw the shapes and you have to say whether it is the how many sides, how many edges, how many corners and the diagonals. So now first one is the rectangle. Okay, now I have given the shape, that is rectangle, triangle, circle, square, and again another rectangle and a cube and sphere. Now we will see whether it is a 2D shapes or 3D shapes. This rectangle is a plane surface, so write the rectangle, and this is the shape name is 2D because it can drawn only on the plane surface. It has no length, width and height. So you can write 2D. And here this is the triangle. This is also drawn under the plane surface. So this is the 2D shapes. And circle. So the circle has no shape. Okay, it has no shape. And square is 2D, and this triangle also, this is one of the type of the triangle. This is also 2D, and a cube 3D, and sphere is also 3D. So plane surface with lines drop another. This is the 2D, and shapes which are length, width and height, that is the 3D shapes. So now we are written the shape and the shape name. Now we are going to see the sides, edges, corners and the diagonals. So in this rectangle, how many sides? 4 sides, 4 edges, 4 corners, 2 diagonals. Okay, you know, already I taught you about in center line 2 diagonals will be there. And then in triangle, 3 sides, 3 edges, 3 corners and 2 diagonals. And in circle, no sides, nothing. Okay. Then square, 4 sides. So it's a 4 sides, 4 edges, 4 corners and 2 diagonals. And in triangle, same thing, 3 sides, 3 and no diagonals in the triangle. And in cube also 6 sides, 12 edges, 6 corners and no diagonals. And in cuboid, sphere, only 1 side and no edges, no corners and no sides. So you draw the shapes and say whether it is how many edges, how many corners and the diagonals. Only in the square, triangle, no. Only in square and rectangle only 2 diagonals will come, and sides will be the 4 sides in the rectangle, 4 edges, 4 corners, 2 diagonals. And in triangle only 3 sides, 3 corners, 3 edges, but no diagonals. Okay children? And circle, nothing will be there, only is a one face, so that's nothing. Square, 2D shapes and 4 sides, 4 corners, 4 edges and then 2 diagonals. And in triangle, it's a 2D picture, you know. Then 3 sides, 3 edges, 3 corners and no diagonals. In triangle there is no diagonals. And cube, it's a 3D shape, 6 sides, 12 edges. All the 6 faces to 2 corners, that will be 12. And 6 corners and no diagonals. And sphere, only 1 side. Can you understand children? So you can draw and learn everything, and you can even practice at home. So you can, what your activity is, you can draw a circle, sphere, cuboid, cube, cone, cylinder and cube. You draw this and color it and shape and see how is it. Next one is a tangram. So this tangram is a Chinese puzzle game. So it's very easy. You can draw this on your paper and you can cut it also. This tangram is a traditional Chinese puzzle. That is, in a square paper, you can divide it into 7 pieces that can be arranged to match a particular design. Here in this square, they are given in this square paper. They are fold the squares. In the squares, you can have the shapes. You can fold it and have the shapes. So tomorrow you bring one paper and sit it, and I will show you how to fold the paper and how to draw the line, and how to cut it. So just today I will explain everything. Okay children? So take one paper and make it as a square. You know how to make it as a square. I have already taught you. You have been doing the ship. Boat செய்யும்போது நீங்க ஒரு பேப்பர் எடுத்து ஸ்கொயரா மடிப்பீங்க. ஓகேயா? அந்த ஸ்கொயர் பேப்பர் மாதிரி you can take it. அந்த ஸ்கொயர் பேப்பரை 2 foldings பண்ணினா center one line will come. And again in the corner 2 diagonals இல்லையா? So the 2 diagonals 4 diagonals fold பண்ணி half of the diagonal this side will be the one. Like this. I will show you now. So in the square paper, take the square paper like this, and if you fold it, you can see like this lines will be coming. No, these lines, you do one thing. This is the first one in this triangle. If you draw பண்ணும்போது இங்க ஒரு pencil வச்சு இப்படி draw பண்ணீங்கன்னா this number 1, and if you cut the line like this, this is number 2. First you put the diagonal line slightly. And if you cut the line here, this one center line also will come. So this you rub it off, and this will be number 3. And number 4, if you put the line like this, and you rub this line, this will be number 5, and this will be number 4. So one pieces, you can cut it afterwards. One piece, second piece will come like this, and third will be the square, and fourth is the diamond shape, and fifth will be the triangle. You can cut these shapes separately. Okay, each shape one shape, one figure. You can cut it like this, and after that you can make it as a picture. You can make any picture. That is, so just I'll draw one duck. So you put this space. This is triangle piece. Number 2 will be here. Okay, then this diamond shape is here, no. So you put the diamond shape here. And then here one triangle. So this will be like a duck. But if we cut the shape and put this paper, we can see the picture clearly. So you can put a mountain also, one small mountain. You can use these shapes. Tomorrow I will show you how to use these shapes to make a mountain or duck or anything like this. So this is called a tangram. 5 pieces of tangram. In this 7 pieces of tangram is there, and 7 pieces of tangram also the same thing. That is, I will show you. So 7 piece tangram will come like this. Square paper only, you have to cut it like this. So same thing. Number 1. Number 5. So these are the 7 pieces of the tangram. So in the next class I will show you how to fold the paper like this, children. So bring the paper and we will show you. Thank you, children.